The winner of the Learning Professional of the Year Award is Barron of Vodafone.
I feel absolutely overwhelmed and pretty much chuffed a bit, to be honest. Never expected it, so it's been a lot of work and a brilliant team that supported me, to be honest, so I'm over the moon. The biggest thing about the team is just absolute trust and empowerment to be able to back me and let me really be creative and be at my best, so I genuinely feel honoured to be part of the team that I work with. I don't have an L&D background. I came into this world from a retail store, and it's absolutely fantastic that you can achieve something like this. You can have a massive career change and really achieve.